Quite often you'll see people talking about a certain status quo and a certain way of thinking and a certain narrative. And they'll say, well, what if we flip the script? What if we actually turn this thing upside down and started thinking about this in a totally different way? And that's what I'm advocating, is that we think about AI in a totally different way. I love having cloud AI. There's lots of great applications for it, but we really need to also start talking about a different way of doing AI outside of the cloud, even though it's connected to the cloud sometimes. That's really impactful. So that's what I call flipping the script, flipping the AI script. Let's try it. So a couple things are happening. So this term edge AI, sometimes they call it tinyML, sometimes it's called edge AI, sometimes it's called on-device AI. This is running AI workloads on individual platforms that are not connected to the cloud, or maybe connected sometimes to the cloud. But the AI is running on the device itself. It's running where the data is actually created. So it's running on the camera that's capturing the images. It's running on the sensor that's capturing the water level. It's running on the the platform that's weighing certain things, or it's measuring current of a motor. So this is a really important technology that's been maturing for years, but it's really probably the most impactful AI that's actually happening today. And the reason is, as I mentioned before, just like for cloud AI, advances in semiconductors, connectivity, and software is really opening up all kinds of new capabilities for AI, new workloads, new scenarios. It's incredible. So, and this is impacting all kinds of industries. It's not just, making images or rewrite or creating fake movies or something like that. It's impacting healthcare. It's impacting agriculture. It's impacting industry. It's impacting, education, all kinds of things that's happening in our daily lives. And it's pretty universal. And so we're seeing things, as I mentioned before, like cameras, sensors, gateways, all kinds of equipment that's able to run AI in the device itself and actually take action on information based on learned patterns and behaviors, just like any kind of AI system. So, and there's just some data here from Gartner and other folks saying how important it is. I probably don't need to sell you on that, but you don't have to take my word for it. Edge AI is a big deal.